Omar Khayyam is one of the mathematicians that born in 1048 and raised in Nishapur, Persia, which has been known as Iran in this present time. He is an expert in astronomy, poetry, and mathematics. Among most of these contributions, this video will only focus on the development of the cubic equation. Omar Khayyam has provided strategies to solve this cubic equation using geometric constructs by locating the intersection of hyperbolas, parabolas, circles, and semicircles that is also written in his most well-known mathematical work, Treatise on Demonstration of Problems of Algebra, said by Vali Siadat in his paper. He happened to find a point on a circle's quadrant such that when a normal is dropped from it to one of the bounding radii, the ratio of the normal length to the radius equals to the ratio of the segments produced by the normal's foot. By solving this issue, it automatically can resolve the second problem that may have the same solution, which is to find a right triangle with the characteristics that the hypotenuse equals the sum of each leg plus the hypotenuse altitude. This eventually helps Omar Khayyam in figuring out the cubic equation, where he found the positive root of this kind of equation. Since he is also an expert in the geometric field, the positive roots mentioned earlier also involve the shapes of circles and rectangular hyperbole that can be referred in the figure shown. From the figure shown, it can be seen that there is a combined drawing of semicircle and parabola which intersects with each other at the point of D. DH is basically a root of this equation, which can be proved in some steps where when the equation 1 being expand and cross multiply, pupil will get equation 2. Since DH being said as a root, so it can be replaced with X. However, when it comes to the circle, the equation will be equation 3. Therefore, by looking at both equations from equation 2 and 3, it can be rewritten as equation 4. Lastly, the final equation can be referred in equation 5, which basically proving that the one real root really exists and can be referred in figure 2 at point D, again the intersection between the semicircle and hyperbola. Moving on to the crucial part of this paper on how cubic equation apply in the economic world, first pupil will be able to find the short run total cost function that have increasing return and also decreasing return. Other than that, cubic equation also help pupil implement them in determining total production that the business should do to achieve the targeted profit. In conclusion, most of the theory and theorems that are being implemented in the economic system are due to the sweats and tears of the past scholars.
Created using Powtoon.